In this video, I will show you how to fix the voices3_8.dll was not loaded error that causes your game to exit during launch. First, open Windows Security and click Protection History. If Windows Security has quarantined your game file, open the detection, click Actions, and select Allow on Device. If you are using a third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, AVG, or McAfee, uninstall or temporarily disable it, as it may be blocking the game files. Next, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, then open Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and select your game's installation folder. After that, go back to Windows Security, open App and Browser Control, click Smart App Control Settings, and turn Smart App Control off if it is enabled. Now restart your PC and launch the game again. In most cases, the error should be fixed. If the problem still continues, temporarily disable your antivirus and reinstall or re-extract the game files to restore the missing DLL. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.